What's going on YouTube? Today I got a mail call. This is from Jeremy Cunningham. He's got a YouTube channel, JERM C. So let's get this thing open, see what's in here. See what is in here. Awesome. The first thing I got is a note. So let me read that real quick. The note says, "Dear Clay and Mrs. Shy, I've been wanting to send you a couple of things. Clay, the Ratchet I got from an old timer. He said he retired at 76 from the mechanic field, and it's dated with an E code indicated from 1937. So that's super awesome. He said, I believe. I assured him I'd give it the best respect it deserves and keep serving it for many years. I made something for y'all that you can display in y'all's home. I have a side business making home decor. I threw a card in there, so check out my business page. Thanks for what you do for the YouTube community. Your buddy, JERM C." At the bottom it says, "You can do a shout out. It will not bother me." So how about that? This wasn't staged. I was already doing it anyway. So that's pretty cool. Here's his card. Show the front and the back of that. That's pretty cool. And he sent me a Ditch Witch can koozie, so that's cool. And a Ditch Witch bottle opener. How awesome is that? The size of a credit card. That is cool right there. A couple more of his business cards. That is really awesome. Wow. That is cool. Get this over here and show you guys this. It is a snap-on. There's the part number. Made in USA. And it still works. How about that? There's the E code. Wow. A really nice ratchet. Really nice ratchet. I love getting those letters. That's one of my favorite things. Heavy. Oh, how cool is this? Look at that. That is awesome. Very, very cool. Jeremy, thank you very much. I really appreciate this. Man, that is super cool. Anytime somebody makes time to make something for you, man, that's really special. I appreciate that. Thank you very much for the note and all the gifts you got me, and the Ratchet is super cool. Thanks a lot. I will leave a card to Jeremy's channel right up here, so you guys be sure to go check that out. And like always, guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe down here below, and we will catch you guys next time. Y'all have a great one.